Hi friends, this is Sarvajan here. Welcome to my networking channel. Hope all are doing good. And today let us discuss and debug the redistribution issues. So this is an architecture where I connected R1, R2 and R3. So R1 I configured EIGRP as a routing protocol and R3 I configured RIP as a routing protocol. And R2 is a border router which does the redistribution from RIP to EIGRP, from EIGRP to RIP, right? So to R1 and R3 I connected a layer 2 switch, and to the switch I connected two different hosts which resides in subnet 172.16.10 dot series, and these two hosts are in 172.16.20 dot series. So for some reason I'm not able to reach from PC1 to PC3. So now let us go to individual routers and let us check the routing table. So go to R1, and before that let us check the routing protocol, show IP protocols. So this way I configured the EIGRP, right? As I told, I already configured the EIGRP on this R1, and R2 I configured EIGRP and RIP. Let us see R2, show IP protocols. So it will show all the protocols what you configured. You have configured EIGRP and also RIP. And similar way, let us go to R3. So after that, let us check the routing table. So here I configured the RIP, right? So let us check the individual routes. Now show IP route. Yeah, so the problem is why we are not able to reach is we are not seeing the RIP routes in the EIGRP routing table. You are able to see, right? So RIP routes I'm not able to see, only I'm seeing the directly connected interfaces. Similarly, let us check in R3. So R3, let us do a show IP route. So R3 also, what I'm seeing, I'm only seeing the directly connected interface and the RIP routes. So R3 I configured RIP already. So only we are seeing the RIP routes, we are not seeing the EIGRP routes. So let us fix the issue. It can be an access list or it can be a route map issue. So let us check it out. Show IP. So before that, I want to show you, we'll ping from PC1 to PC3, right? This is a PC3 IP is 20.3. So ping 172.16.20.3. So I'm not able to reach. Let us ping from this PC also. Ping 172.16.10.3. So I'm not able to reach from either PCs. So now let us fix the issue. So also before that, let us ping the directly connected interfaces and the remote interface and let us check. So go to R1. That is the way we can troubleshoot. 192.168.1.1. 1.2 I am able to reach. Let us see 2.1. So 2.1 I am not able to see. So the issue lies in the border router, right? So that's the reason I want to check it out. So now let us debug from R2 to R3. So let us check in R2 exactly. So go to R2 and let us check the access list. Yeah, we are able to see, right? There is an access list already configured which is denying the subnet from 10 to 20. This is a subnet, right? So in the 10 subnet, it is a PC1 and PC2 resides, and in that 117.20 subnet, PC3 and Pc4 resides. That is the reason it's blocking. So now let us remove the access list. Access list 110. So also I want to show the configuration what I have done. Let us do a show run. So what I have done RIP and EIGRP redistribution, right? So let us go to EIGRP. So router EIGRP 100, and I have defined the networks, and I have done redistribute RIP followed by the metric. So I have to give the EIGRP metric here. Then the distribute list, that access list 110 I map to this, and I have defined in and out, inbound and the outbound traffic. Similar way, RIP also I redistributed EIGRP. Redistribute EIGRP 100. Then we have to define the metric. So this we call it as a seed metric. So whenever the metric is, whenever redistributing any protocol into another routing protocol, so that metric we call it as a seed metric, because this EIGRP should understand the metric of RIP. What we call this as a seed metric. Similar way, while redistributing EIGRP into RIP, so this EIGRP metric RIP should understand. That metric we call it as a seed metric. So now we have removed the access list. Let us now check it out. So let us set the access list, show IP access list. So now it is not there, right? Now let us check it out. We are able to reach. Yeah, so now I'm able to reach from PC1 to PC3, and also I'm able to reach from PC3 to PC1, right? Yeah, both the ways I'm able to reach. Now let us check the routing table also. Let us check the routing entries. Show IP route. Yeah, now we are able to see the external routes. Say RIP routes shown as external routes in EIGRP. That is the route you are seeing 3.3.3. And this is the external network, right? 117.20 is the external network. This is the where PC3 and PC4 resides. Similar way, let us go to R3. show IP route. So this also we are able to see all the external networks, and now that is the reason so we are able to reach from PC1 to PC3. So this is how you have to troubleshoot the redistribution issues. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me for more videos. Thank you and have a wonderful day.